Hello viewers, in this video I will share to you how to multiply numbers in scientific notation. We have two basic steps. Step 1 is to multiply the coefficients and step 2 is to add the exponents. Example, we have here 2 times 10 raised to 4 multiply to 3 times 10 raised to 3. So step 1, it said here multiply the coefficients and the coefficients are 2 and 3. So 2 times 3 will give us an answer of 6. Now step 2, add the exponents. The exponents are positive 4 and positive 3. So we will add 4 plus 3. And this is 7. So the answer now would be the coefficient 6 times 10, you just keep the base 10, raised to the power of positive 7. So this is now our answer. Next example, here is 4 times 10 raised to negative 2 times 2 times 10 raised to 7. So our step 1 is to multiply the coefficients. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Step 2, we need to add the exponents. So we have negative 2 plus 7. And negative 2 plus 7 will give us 5. So the answer for number 2 is 8 times 10 raised to the power of 5. Next, 5 times 10 raised to negative 9 times 1 times 10 raised to negative 2. Okay, our step 1 is to multiply the coefficients. So 5 times 1 will give us 5. The next step is to add the exponents. So we have negative 9 plus negative 2. Again, we have negative 9 plus negative 2. So it's just like saying negative 9 minus 2. And this will be equal to negative 11. So our answer for number 3 is 5 times 10 raised to negative 11. Example number 4, 5 times 10 raised to 3 times 4 times 10 raised to 10. 5 times 4 will give us 20. Okay, that is step 1. And then step 2, 3 plus 10 will give us 13, right? So we have 20 times 10 raised to the power of 13. Again, step 1 is to multiply the coefficients. 5 times 4 is 20. And then keep the base 10. So you will write 20 times 10 raised to, what will you do with the exponents here? You will be adding. So 3 plus 10 is 13. So you have 20 times 10 raised to 13. Now, although this value is correct, but it is incorrectly written in scientific notation because remember that your coefficient A should be a number greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. And this 20 is already greater than 10. So we need to make move here in this coefficient. So we don't need 20, what we need is 2.0. So since this is 20, and the point is after the last digit, this point here, we will move one place going to the left. And this exponent now will have a plus 1. Because we move one place to the left, so we will add plus 1 to the exponent. So this now becomes 2.0 times 10 raised to 14. And this one now is our final answer. Last example, 6 times 10 raised to 11 multiplied to 3 times 10 raised to the power of negative 4. Step 1, multiply the coefficients. 6 times 3, it's 18. Okay, times 10 raised to the power of, we will add the exponents. So 11 plus negative 4. That's 11 minus 4. And that will give us 7. So we have here 18 times 10 raised to 7. Now look at the coefficient. It's 18, which is greater than 10. So we need to make a move here so that it will become less than 10. So 18 has a point somewhere here at the last, after the last digit. So we will move this point one place to the left. And we will be adding plus 1 to the exponent. We cannot make another move further to the left because this will make it 0.18 and that would be less than 1. So 1.8 is already enough. That will already conform to the rule. So we have here 1.8 times 10 raised to the power of 7 plus 1. This is 8. So this is now the final answer. For your practice activity, multiply the following. Be guided with the 2 steps that we have discussed earlier. Number 1, 7 times 10 raised to negative 5 times 5 times 10 raised to 2. Number 2, 4 times 10 raised to negative 12 multiplied to 2 times 10 raised to negative 3. And number 3, we have 9 times 10 raised to 7 times 3 times 10 raised to 2. And the last, 6.8 times 10 raised to 4 times 1 times 10 raised to 9.